Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another birthday entry, and this is entry number, I think this is entry number 40. Wow. And it came in yesterday, and this is from Candice. Oh my god, this is Candice entry, and she sent it via FedEx. Oh my gosh, girl, why you did that? Okay, let me just open this up real quick, guys. Trying not to show an address because she also has an address up on the top. Okay, alrighty, here's her entry. So this is her envelope, but it was inside of FedEx. Oh my gosh, girly, you did not have to send it via FedEx. I feel so bad. Okay, so everything is out. Everything is out. So here's her beautiful card. Is that a stamp? No way, girly. What the heck? Wow. So cute. And she got a purple envelope and everything. Oh my gosh, let's see. Look at her card. So it says, make a wish, happy birthday. Oh my gosh, look at this gorgeous unicorn. And she's got little sprinkles here. I like how she has it like sectioned off. So there's a birthday cake and the rainbow. It says make a wish. Oh my gosh, Candice, beautiful. This card is gorgeous. Oh, it says, may all of your wishes come true. And she put a little note separate. And that is cute. She die cut the paper that she typed her message on. Happy birthday, Eileen. Hope you enjoyed your special day. I'm so glad to have met you to participate in your birthday giveaway. I really enjoy watching your YouTube lives each week and seeing all the beautiful creations. You're truly an inspiration. So glad to be a part of your wonderful crafty community and your friend. Best wishes for a wonderful year. XOXO Candice. Oh, Candice. You are a blessing to me, girl. All of you lovely ladies, just being a part of my lives, it makes it all so much fun. This one says, happy birthday to you. What is this? Oh, okay, here. It's with the little washi. And what the heck? Woman! Oh my god! Oh my god! That is so cool! Oh my gosh, she gifted me a Dollar Tree gift card, you guys. Oh my god. I'm not going to say the amount, but oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm going to the store tomorrow. Thank you, Candice. Oh my gosh. I am goosebumping it out because I love Dollar Tree. Oh my god. Look at how professional everything is looking. Oh my goodness. And have her stamp back here, handmade by, and it says crafting elegance. That's her, I believe that's her Instagram. And she also has an Etsy shop, etsy.com shop, my crafting elegance, with the number 2 on the end there. But this is Candice. I love when she comes into the lives. She's so funny. Look at these gorgeous embellishments. Birthday clipboards, guys. Are you kidding me? This is so cute. Okay, so she used a little of the sticky dot. I'm not going to take it off. I know it'll come out because it's moving, so that's wonderful. This one says opening presents, hip hip hooray for you. And then this one says let's party. And I love all the little embellishments that are on here. Look at this teeny tiny doily. That is so cute. It's like a little 3-inch doily. Wow, where'd you get that one? That is beautiful. But this little die, I think, yeah, it's a die because it has embossing also on there. Oh my gosh, so cute. This is beautiful, Candice. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing this with me. Love, love, love all these little goodies you use. Thank you so much. And then here's her beautiful memory deck card. Let's get into it. Oh my gosh. She is gorgeous. I say she because look at her little unicorn. Oh, it's, oh, nice. Yes, thank you very much. And she's got her little shaker, a little balloon shaker up here. Very cute. Happy birthday, unicorn. Look at that eyelash trim. It has iridescent thread in it also. And she used some Nuvo drops here, some layered dimensional stickers here. Wow, so gorgeous. That is so many layers. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous so much. Thank you so much, Candice. So, oh nice. She covered it with some washi. So her name is Candice. She does on Instagram. She is paper_crafting_elegance. On YouTube, she is crafting elegance. Favorite color is teal. And her birthday month is September too. Oh my god. So she's a September baby. Happy belated birthday, Candice. I suck at singing. Oh my gosh. Favorite crafting tool are dies, and her favorite designer is Doodlebug Designs. Oh my gosh, thank you, Candice. So cute. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Thank you so much for entering, and good luck, sweetheart. Like everybody, I wish you all the luck. The final entries should be rolling in probably by the end of this week, this coming week. So if you've got it out there, please send it in as soon as possible. Last day for me to, you know, film the entries and everything will be on October 10th. And then the drawing, the live drawing, will be done on October 16th, which is a Friday, so that'll make it more exciting. So guys, please go check Candice out. I will leave all her information in the description box below, and don't forget, go ahead and subscribe to these wonderful ladies, and I hope to see you all on the next video. Candice, good luck. Bye.